This pumpkin pie is so rich and flavorful. It's also really easy to make. Add 3 eggs at room temperature to a bowl and whisk. Add brown sugar, salt, and evaporated milk. We added pumpkin spice mix, and we have a video on how to make it. If you don't have pumpkin spice, you could use cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Mix well. You can use canned puree or make your own puree from a sugar pumpkin. We have a video on how to make the puree. Add the puree and mix well. Did you know that many pumpkin puree brands use a pumpkin that looks like this? It's called a Dickinson pumpkin. We're making our pie with pie crust we made from scratch. Our homemade flaky, buttery crust is delicious. The link to that video is also in the description. But if you're short on time, store-bought dough or a pre-made pie shell definitely make it easier. The pie shell should be filled almost to the top with filling. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes. You know the pie is ready when the center jiggles a little bit. Don't worry if some bubbles or cracks form when you bake it. This often happens with pumpkin pie, and it just makes it look more rustic. It doesn't affect the taste at all. Let the pie cool at room temperature for at least 45 minutes. If you find this video helpful, please help us by liking it
and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.
Meanwhile, you can prepare the whipped cream. Pour out a half cup of cold whipping cream. Add a half teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of pumpkin spice. We like our whipped cream only lightly sweetened, but you can add a little more sugar if you like. You can whisk with beaters or by hand. You know it's ready when it forms soft peaks like this. Pumpkin pie and whipped cream are the perfect pair. But the pie is also delicious on its own. We love it both ways. Enjoy your pumpkin pie! If you like this video, we think you'll find these helpful too.